How to change Zoho Mail name. Open your web browser and go to the Zoho website. Log into your Zoho account if you aren't already logged in. You should see your Zoho CRM homepage once you're logged in. Look in the top right corner of the page. You'll see a small circle with either your profile picture or your initials. Click on this circle. It will open a drop-down menu with various options. In the drop-down menu, find and click on My Account. On the Account Settings page, look for your current name listed there. Next to your name, there should be an Edit button. Click on this button to start making changes. You'll now be able to change your first name, last name, and display name. Just type in your new names as you want them to appear. Make sure you're happy with the new names before moving on. Once you've made your changes, find and click the Save button to apply the updates. And that's all there is to it. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. If you have any questions or need more help, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.